Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how to create Instagram posts on different niches. So guys, in today's video, you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and also you can uh, grab clients from local market, and also you can go for google.com and search the websites according to your niche, and then offer them that you can maintain their Instagram presence and tell them your charges and start earning online. And let's get started. In today's video I will teach you how you can create an Instagram post on workout niche, so you can easily contact to gym owners, so for their Instagram presence. So it is a good niche to work on. So I am going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software online, and you can easily, you don't need to be expert graphic designer or experienced graphic designer. You just need to start, and Canva do it all for you. So I click on create a design, and here I search Instagram. So I choose square. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed, so just wait for some seconds. So that's it. Now I search here workout. So we will choose, it shows us different templates. We will choose one of them, and I think this one is good, but I have to change the style. And that's it. After that, you can change your username like workouttips.com, and you can change the font, and I also want to change the background. So I go to photos, and here I search workout. So it provides me different photos of workout. So I choose this one and I place it here, and after that I choose replace background. So the background is replaced and it is looking cool. And you can also customize this, like make warm up daily, drink more water. And also you can write the content from ChatGPT, or you can ask for your client to uh, give you content. Basically in this, you have to take details from client and paste it in the template. So I think that you can see how easy it is to make an Instagram post in Canva. You just have to be just have to get details from the client and paste it on the template. So I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.